Hey, so you just got your new DRR ATV, and the first thing you're going to want to do after it's all assembled correctly is make sure you charge it. So this is the charger. Here's your cord. So the proper charging procedure for this ATV is to plug the charger into the ATV first. And we're going to do that by pulling the top down. It can only go in one way. Plug it in. Now once that's plugged in, then you're going to go over to the wall and you're going to plug it in, and you're going to plug it into a outlet that has at least 30 amps attached to it. So this is a 20 amp circuit breaker. This circuit breaker is going to trigger because it's going to pull too much power through it because it's a 20 amp charger. Now this over here is a 30 amp circuit breaker. So this circuit breaker will allow it to pull the 20 amps that it needs for the first 2 hours to charge the vehicle. Otherwise, the 20 amp circuit breaker is going to pop and the 30 amp will work. So this is a 30 amp wall outlet, and you'll notice it has a special design to fit the 30 amp cord. So in this case, if you have an RV outlet that has a 30 amp, you just need an adapter to get it down to the 3-prong adapter. This is a commercial building, so this is a 20 amp outlet. A 25 amp outlet will have a line on the side, and so will a 30 amp outlet that's designed like this. While the vehicle's charging, the fan will spin, and you'll see a red flashing light. It's going to be a it's going to be a solid red light. It's going to be a red flashing light. Then it's going to be a green flashing light, and then solid green. So those are your different levels of charge. It's also on the side of our charger. It tells you what each one of these means. There's also a form inside with the charger in the box that tells you what the flashing codes mean. So once you're finished charging it and it's charged to about 80%, you want to unplug it from the wall, and then after you unplug it from the wall, you're going to not grab the wire, you're going to grab the handle because it locks in, and pull this straight out, and you're going to plug it in. And then once you put the cover back on, then you can turn on the key. If you turn on the key while it's charging, it's going to damage the BMS system, and you'll need a new battery. So just to recap, you want to pull the charger out of the wall and then unplug it from the ATV. So pull the charger plug out from the wall and then unplug it from the ATV. And again, do not turn the ATV on while it's charging, or you will damage the battery management system.